There's a moment when you meet someone and something feels immediate. There's a sense of connection, energy, pull, and it can feel like chemistry. You might feel excited, curious, drawn in, and because of that feeling, it can seem like something important is happening. But over time, you may begin to notice that the experience doesn't feel as steady as you expected. And that's when the question can arise: was that really chemistry? Hi, I'm Crystal Sage, and in this video, we're going to explore this gently because this is something many people experience but don't always question in the moment. What feels like chemistry is not always what we think it is. Take a slow breath in and a slow breath out. There's nothing to figure out right now. Just notice what resonates. What many people describe as chemistry is actually intensity. It can feel like strong attraction, emotional pull, heightened attention. And intensity can feel meaningful, but intensity does not always mean alignment. It simply means that something is being activated. And when intensity is present, it can be difficult to step back because the experience itself feels engaging. It holds your attention. It feels alive. So instead of observing it, you move into it. Your nervous system responds to familiarity and activation. If something feels stimulating or emotionally charged, your system may interpret that as connection. So, what feels like chemistry may actually be familiar activation patterns, not necessarily compatibility. Something important to notice is this: calm connection can sometimes feel unfamiliar. It may feel slower, quieter, less intense. And because of that, it can be overlooked. Not because it isn't meaningful, but because it feels different. When you feel something strongly, it's natural to give it meaning, to think, this must be important. But feeling something strongly doesn't always mean the connection itself is stable. It simply means something is being activated. So, this is where we slow down. This is not about getting it wrong. It's about understanding that intensity and connection are not the same thing. And once you begin to see that, your perspective starts to shift. Many people notice this in romantic relationships, but similar dynamics can appear in friendships, family relationships, and other connections. Because this is how we experience connection, not just who we experience it with. You might reflect on, what have you described as chemistry before? What did that actually feel like? Was it steady or intense? I'm going to let you sit with that for a moment. Just noticing is enough. If you're ready to explore this more deeply, I created a program called Relational Pattern Breakthrough. It's designed to help you recognize and interrupt these patterns and begin shifting them in a grounded way. You can find more details in the description box below. As always, take care of yourself. And I will see you in our next conversation.